Hey everybody, today I'll be telling y'all why it's a bad idea to pull the fire alarm in a public building. First of all, you can't do that. You can't just do that. So let's say, for example, yeah, that's a fire alarm system over there. So I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why it's a bad idea. 1, it's illegal. 2, you might scare people. And 3, the fire department will come. And I mean it, they will come. So let's say you walk up to the police station and do this. And the alarm goes off, and the fire department comes. Let me find my key here. Hold on. Come on, guys. 1 second. Trying to find my key here. Oh God. Sorry for the bad video, guys. I'm just trying to find my key here. Holy crap. Where is this? Sorry, guys. It's taking like a long time, so I still more to say. Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh. Here it is. So, it's pretty early in the morning too. It's like 7:53 a.m. Oh, and I just had it. Oh, here it is. God. I'm just so frustrated right now. I'm not done with the video even close, but I have found the key, but okay, let's open this up. There's already 2 minutes and 30 seconds. For example, okay, guys, so let's just say, like, you got done with the emergency that you had, and you, let's say the fire department had already left, and then 5 minutes ago, you come up to the same police station that you pulled the last time, and you do it again. Then you're probably gonna get arrested because you can't actually point the fire alarm for no apparent reason. Because, okay, so my family, we were just on a trip in Colorado last week, and at the hotel, someone put the fire alarm like at 1 o'clock in the morning. Then it was like, oh my gosh, who's up at 1 o'clock in the morning? And we're like, we don't know. And my mom was like, we don't know, some crazy people. Sorry, guys. Sorry, that's okay. Sorry, guys. This video is dirty. Okay, guys. Bottom line. Don't pull a fire alarm. It's illegal. Do not do it. Thank you. Bye. I hope this video taught you a lesson. I can't be pulling the fire alarm for no apparent reason. Let's put this back in my collection. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you. Here are my other fire alarms, by the way. Bye, guys. Hope you guys learned the lesson. Thank you. Bye.